Select the map icon. By holding click, drag it to the place where you want to place it, and click on the style icon. The numeric component width indicator allows you to modify the pixel value of the component in question. The numeric height indicator of the component allows you to modify the pixel value of the component in question. The percent is directly related to the numeric height indicator of the component. When selected, the percent lights up blue, and the height of the element will expand to a value proportional to the value of the component's numeric height indicator and the height of the device. If not selected, percent is grayed out and the item height will be pixels equal to the value of the numeric height indicator of the component. The percent is directly related to the numeric width indicator of the component. When selected, the percent lights up blue, and the width of the element will expand to a value proportional to the value of the numeric indicator of the component height and the width of the device. If not selected, percent is grayed out and the width of the element will be pixels equal to the value of the component's numeric height indicator. Click on the arrow to display a list of options for choosing the type of map you want to view. Select Standard to display the map in a conventional way. Select Satellite to display the map with satellite view. Select Hybrid to display a mix of the map view in both conventional and satellite way. Clicking the arrow in Map Theme displays a list that allows you to change the themes of the map. When you click Default, the map is displayed in standard color. When you click Silver, the map is displayed in silver. When you click Retro, the map is displayed in retro color. When you click Dark, the map is displayed in dark color. When you click Night, the map is displayed with night vision color. Select the data icon. By clicking Latitude, it displays the default starting location on the map. These coordinates have a default value but can be modified to the developer's preference. By clicking Length, it displays the default starting location on the map. These coordinates have a default value but can be modified to the developer's preference. The property of Zoom allows you to zoom in on the map, so visualize the areas of interest, zooming in to get a view of a certain number of streets, or zooming out to be able to see large expanses of territory. Its values are managed between 0 and 100, decimals or thousands can be added. When you enable the switch for the Is Disabled property, the map cannot be altered in any way manually, meaning you cannot drag it to see another area other than the one you currently see, and you cannot zoom in. Activating the switch for the Map Center icon image property generates a predefined marker in the center of the map. The location of this marker indicates the current coordinates of the point that indicates the map. By selecting the background image property, you can replace the predefined icon with one of the user's choice. The Upload a File property allows you to upload the images that are on your device. When you upload them, they are saved to the Firebase database, returning a destination address from where we can query the image at any time. When you click on My Images, the entire collection of images that we have uploaded up to the time of the query is displayed. Click Unsplash to get a section of preloaded images from the Unsplash page. You can use them freely for your applications as they are copyright-free. By clicking on the From URL property, you can paste the URL of the image if you have it from your own repository or an image on the internet. It is suggested that the image be of your property to avoid any problem with the use of the image. To return to the options, click on the X. The Enable Dynamic Loading property works to make the element look like a loaded one. Activating the Control is Hidden switch hides the controls. Activating the switch for the Show Current Location Pointer property displays the real-time location of our location regardless of where the marker coordinates are located on the map. Click on the Events icon. Click the plus to add an event. The OnMarker Pressed event is triggered when a marker is pressed. When you click on one of the markers, its coordinates will be taken as main, placing the main position of the map in them. The OnRegin Change event is triggered when the coordinates have a change no matter how small it is, behaves like a listener, and is triggered whenever there is some sort of coordinate variation. The OnRegin Change Complete event fires once we finish moving the location on the map, and the map coordinates no longer have any variation. Thank you for watching this video.